You want to keep it to a page. If you're an early career or in your internship, we want to just see a single page. Anything that's happened prior to high school, definitely keep out of your resume.
Include any relevant class experience, projects, clubs, or organizations you're involved in on campus.
Another thing would be to add some transferable strengths to your internship. So you can list things all day of courses and classes you've taken, but we also want to know how it would apply to the role that you're interviewing for. If you're interviewing for, let's say, a customer service role in our internship program, any of those, client-facing roles such as an ice cream scooper or working at a restaurant, those are important. You're interacting with others. That's important for us to know.
If you're working as a camp counselor, highlight the fact that you're responsible for X number of children throughout a period of time.
I definitely want to make sure your email address is appropriate. You also want to make sure that it's not your college email address, right? Because that's deactivated after you graduate. We look at hundreds, sometimes hundreds of thousands of resumes in our internship program, and we want it to be clear, concise. We want to see when you worked there, what your job role was, and a very brief description of that. So when people elaborate with paragraphs of each role, it becomes too much to read as we're trying to be as most efficient as possible.
No need to add extra colors or blocks of colors. No need to mess with the font too much. Keep it simple.
I would recommend a student using AI in terms of making their resume a little bit more crisp, clear, concise. I would, use your own words, obviously your own experience, nothing additive, but I would just use it to sharpen it up a bit. It helps a lot to kind of narrow it down to that single page I was talking about and shorten it up for the reader. Yeah, I would say someone who they have a good combination of activities, work experience, and anything that happened in college. Sometimes resumes can be hard to read, so there's no flow to it. So if you start with your work experience, then you go down to your skills and any additional accomplishments. It's easy for the recruiter to read, and it goes from the most important to kind of like the add-ons. So I feel like that if it's easy to read, it really helps a recruiter or a person interviewing.